Hello, this is Alvin Bailey, and welcome to another one of my Money Talks. Today I'm going to address 3 essential documents that you need to have to protect you and your family against financial risk. First, you need a will or a trust. We don't like to think about it, but we're all going to die someday. And how our assets get distributed, or in the case of if you have minor children, how they're going to be taken care of, can all be addressed with wills and trusts. The will and the trust is how you plan to make sure these things are handled the way you want them to. If you want to die without a will or a trust, the state will get to decide those things for you. Normally, I think it's better for me to decide how my assets get handled rather than trust someone else who didn't know me to use their one-size-fit-all plan. So I think you need a will or a trust. The second thing you need is a healthcare directive. We all have health issues over our lives, but sometimes we reach the hospital and we're in no condition to make a decision. With a healthcare directive, you can provide general guidance to the hospital and the doctors, as well as identify someone to make decisions for you. Again, the hospital and the state probably all have very good processes in place to decide these things for you if you haven't already made plans. But it's usually better to have someone you know and trust to decide how you should be taken care of, and that's addressed with a healthcare directive. Finally, you need a durable power of attorney. A durable power of attorney gives someone else the right to make financial decisions for you when you are not available or incapable. So you might be unavailable because you've gone on a very long ocean cruise and you need someone to pay your bills and file your tax returns. Or you could be being held captive by terrorists for 3 months. It happened to my uncle in Iran. The other thing is, as we get older, we have cognitive skills and losses that we need to deal with, and having someone with a durable power of attorney ensures that our financial affairs are addressed and our bills are paid, and we remain a financially solvent person. So 3 essential documents: a will or a trust, healthcare directive, a durable power of attorney. All of these you need. This is Alvin Bailey. Thanks for listening.